Hello again and welcome back to our course on Excel for Mac 2019. In this module we're going to be diving into that backstage view again, and we're going to be creating a new file from scratch and we're going to save it into a specific location. Now, as I mentioned in a previous module, if you push your mouse all the way up to the top of the screen, you'll get that menu system appear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into File, and I'm going to select New from Template. And this takes me into that kind of backstage style area, and this is where I have access to create a new blank workbook, as I currently have highlighted, or select a template to work from. Now, in this particular example, we're just going to create a new blank workbook and we're going to save it locally. So this is all fairly straightforward. I'm going to double click on blank workbook, and there I go. I have my new blank workbook appear on the screen. Now you'll see currently, if you look in the heading bar, it just says Book 6. So that's the standard naming convention if you just create a new document before you've saved it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to save this into a location. I'm going to push my mouse all the way up to the top of the screen. I'm going to go to File and I'm going to say Save As. And this will open up the Finder, which again, if you're new to Mac, this is like File Explorer in Windows. It's where you'll find all your folders, all of your drives, all of your save locations. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump across to my Documents folder. I'm going to click on my Excel for Mac folder, and I'm actually going to create a new folder by clicking on this New Folder button in the bottom corner. And I'm going to call it Demo Files. And I'm going to say Create. I'm now ready to save my workbook with a new name. So I'm going to double click where it says Book 6, and I'm going to call this Demo 1.xlsx and click on Save. And there we go. You can now see that my title has changed in that title bar, and it says that I've saved it to my Mac. So I'm now going to close this file down. So again, I'm going to push my mouse to the top of the screen and I'm going to click on the red cross in that little traffic light system area. What I'm now going to do is reopen that file, but I'm going to reopen it from my recent documents. So again, push my mouse up to the top of the screen. I'm going to click on File, and you see I have an option just here for Open Recent. And I can go in and just click to reopen that file again. So as you can see, very simple to create a new blank workbook, to save it in a specific location, and then to access that from your recent worksheets list. So now we've created a blank workbook, it's time to start inputting stuff into our spreadsheet. So please join me in the next module for that.
Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, click below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. And click over there to get the complete Excel for Mac 2019 Beginners course. And click over there to watch the complete set of Excel Mac videos in this playlist.